Today I'm checking out this 40 pack of these fishing rod holder clips. These are the little clips here. You screw them into the wall or whatever you're doing. I'm actually making a little fishing rod rack, and I'm gonna bolt these or screw these on, and it should hold my fishing poles. Let's find out. Just so you can see these up close, they are like, horseshoe shaped. It's got these little, ends right here to keep them from sliding out. It's got two, as you can see from my finger there, two little holes that are drilled in the back that you can use, some small screws to put that in. I'm using just some sheet metal screws that I have around my shop, but this is what it did. Look at this. I've got me a little clamp right there. It's holding that pole fine. Clamp there and clamp there. Now, these are not my fancy poles. These are poles that we actually leave in a little fishing dock barn that we have, I guess you could say. And for when people come over, who cares what they do with these poles? But I needed to hang a lot of them because we've got like 50 of these old poles that we let people use. And these are gonna work great. I'm gonna just put these things all the way around this cart and make it where you just pick your pole and we'll bait it up and be ready to go. Really nice. I mean, look at it. Even the thinner parts of the pole, they clamp in really well. And then they'll clamp all the way out to old big sections of the pole. It's really nice, and they hold them well too. It's not like this thing's sliding off. I mean, you'd have to pull it pretty good to get them to come off. I like it. So yeah, I really do like it. I think you will too. And I hope all this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.